All right. Good evening and welcome to today's class. Yesterday we introduced a topic under geometry, which is angles and its properties. We looked at some angles, main types of angles. Okay, and today let's look at their properties. Let's look at the properties of angles. All right. Now let's look at them. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Now, its property at this point is this. Angle in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. I can say angles, no, it should be on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Let me give this example now. Okay, let's say, for example, if one angle is 110, okay, the other angles is what? Then the other all right. Now you are seeing that this one is above acute angle. It's above angle 90. That means it is now obtuse angle, which is angle that is less than 180, but is above 90 degrees. Okay, good. So if there's we're talking about angle on a straight line. We'll say that the sum of those angles will give us 180 degree. Now we have an example. If one angle is 110, then the other angle is what? Okay. Now it means that what angle can be added to this to have 180 degrees? So I'm going to have 110, which we know, plus which we don't know, and we are told that the addition or their sum will give us 180 degrees. So what do we do in this place? Collect items. We have that x is equal to 180 then minus 110. Therefore, x, if you remove 110 from 80, you are going to have 70 degrees. This is one example. This is one way to really describe or illustrate the properties of angle of a straight, angle on a straight line. Okay, let's look at another angle around a point. Angle around a point. Now, angle around a point add up to 360 degrees, which is a complete circle. All right, a complete circle is an angle around a point, and the sum of angle of a circle, sum of angles of a circle is equal to 360 degrees. Now, let's take another example to see. Let's say if three angles are 98, okay. This example. For instance, okay. Now we say if three angles are 90 degrees, 80 degrees, and 110 degrees, Now the fourth angle is what? The fourth angle is what? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 3 angles. Now let's see. 90 plus 80 is 170. 170 plus 110 should be around 280. Yes, 280. This is already a reflex angle, which angle above 180 but less than 360 degrees. Okay. Now we say it's an angle at a point, which is angle around a point is equal to, their sum is equal to 360 degrees. It means that the sum of this, and this with the fourth angle, which we don't know, will give us 360 degrees. Okay, now let's see. It means that angle 90 degrees plus angle 80 degrees plus angle 110 degrees plus another angle that we don't know, which is the fourth one, is equal to 360 degrees. Now let's go. This will give us what is it called? 280. I'm going to have 280 degrees plus y is equal to 360 degrees. Now collect items here. Now I'm going to have that y is equal to 360. Then this one crosses over, it becomes minus 280 degrees. Therefore, y is equal to 360 minus 280. That becomes automatically 80 degrees. So the fourth angle, all right, is going to be 80 degrees. The fourth angle is 80 degrees. Now let's check another one. Let me take let me take vertically opposite angle. The third one, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now how does this come to be? Now when two straight lines cross each other, the angle formed in the opposite direction is called, or are called, vertically opposite angle. And one thing that these angles are equal. I'll give you an example now. This is a, what's it called? This is a straight line. Let me put it this way. We have another one from nowhere. I have to cross it like this. Okay. Now here and here are vertically opposite. Where you say, when two straight lines cross, the opposite angle is formed, and those two angles are equal. Opposite angles are formed, and these two angles are equal. That means if here is angle A and here is angle B, it means that A is equal to B. The value of A and the value of value of B are equal. All right. So that's all about vertically opposite angle. If I take this example now, let's say I have something like this, for instance. Let me just write. Let's say I have a line like this. Let's say I have another one like transversal line. Let's say I have here is 80 degrees. They say find x. This is already a vertically opposite angle. What do you do? You say that just write x is equal to 80 degrees. Now give reason in the brackets vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, let me write it now for future sake. Now, vertically opposite angles. Now we say when two straight lines cross, okay, the opposite angles are formed and are equal. So take it this way now. All right, so kindly take your time to go through their properties, that you know which is which. And one thing that if you know their properties, when solving them, it becomes very easy, because you might need to quote their properties in order to navigate a particular problem. All right, so kindly watch the video, play it at least twice. If you have any question, please kindly drop it for your answer to come to you. Thank you very much.